Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 3, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to rename and measure with centimeter cubes using their standard unit name of centimeters. So, we were using centimeter cubes instead of centimeters, but now we talked about how centimeter cubes is the same length of actual centimeters. And so we showed them a ruler and talked about the difference between centimeter cubes and a ruler, about how centimeter cubes don't have the numbers how the rulers are to help us easily count. And so we looked at it we measured things with rulers to be able to start getting used to that. So instead of saying centimeter cubes, we're going to start saying centimeters. So we're going to order the car, the hot dog, and the ketchup from my longest to shortest, which means the longest will be first and the shortest will be last. So that means since there's three things, it'll be third. So they have the car that's 10 centimeters, the hot dog that's 8 centimeters, and the ketchup that's 9 centimeters. So which one is longest? So we have to say, okay, which number is bigger? 10, 8, or 9? Well, we know that 10 is bigger, so we know it's the car that's first. Now let's skip a little bit and let's go to the shortest. So which number is smaller? 10, 9, or 8? 8 is the smallest, so we know that it's the hot dog. That's the shortest. And since the ketchup is the one that we did not say, ketchup is the one that goes in the middle. So car is the longest, ketchup's the second to longest, and then hot dog is the shortest. Alrighty. Now let's look at this next one. Which item or items are longer than the ketchup? Well, the ketchup is 9 centimeters. So which one is longer than the ketchup? Car, hot dog. Well, since we know the ketchup is 9, we know that we're looking for something that's bigger than 9. The car that's 10 or the hot dog that's 8. Well, we know that it's the car that is 10 is longer. Now, let's look at this last one. How much longer is the car than the hot dog? Well, we know the car is 10 and the hot dog is 8. We're going to have to write a number sentence for this. Well, since the car is bigger, we're going to write how much the car is first. So 10 minus how much the hot dog is, which is 8. So 10 minus 8. So we can count on, or you can know, because we're looking at a 10 buddy. So I'm going to just count down though. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So we know that it is 2 centimeters longer. So the car is 2 centimeters longer than the hot dog. Alright guys, that's it for this video.